Here at Brickswork, we often design custom listing presentations, buyer's guides, or pre-sale new construction presentation campaigns, not only on paper, but also on a slideshow format, often on Google Slides, which can be used like a keynote presentation. But you can also use this for presenting it and sharing online through email, private messaging, whatever you want. Here, we'll show you how to do that properly because the user interface on Google Slides makes it a little bit less obvious than you would hope. We'll take a look at a sample presentation here for one of our newest pre-sale projects in Squamish. The instinct here might be to hit the share button and send this to your interested buyers. Now, that's not the right way to do it. If you share it from here, you're actually enabling the recipient to edit it or at least comment on it for the production side of things. Once a production design is done, you want to share this to your potential leads. Maybe you want to publish it on your social media or website, and here's how you do it. First, you're going to go to the File menu at the top left, and let's go to the Share button. And under it, there is a Publish to Web option. Once the dialog shows up, you can generate a link or an embed code. In this case, let's try the link first. Now, for this auto slide option, you can set it so that the slideshow keeps progressing every few seconds if you like. This can be a useful feature for those who don't know that they need to keep advancing a slideshow. I'm going to copy this link. Let's go to my LinkedIn page. Once I type in the URL, LinkedIn will go ahead and fetch a preview for this. There it is. And it caught the cover nicely there too. When you publish it and click it, you can see the presentation version. I can actually look through this presentation. And if I wanted to make it go faster than the 3 seconds, I can of course hit my keyboard arrows or use my mouse to keep advancing it faster if I like. If you wanted to embed this into your web page using a code embed, same way you would embed a iframe from, let's say, an Instagram post to drop that in, you can do something very similar by going to the same menu. We're going to go to Publish to Web, and instead of link, we're going to select Embed. Here, you can select the size. We're going to go for large because a lot of people have big, nice monitors these days, and internet speed is quite fast these days. Let's say this one we can have it to 3 seconds, and there's the embed code. So this is useful because you can actually have this embedded inside a web page if you like, or publish it inside your WordPress blog post if you want. The world's your oyster. Either way, this is a proper way to share a Google slideshow with your leads and buyers and sellers, not by hitting the share button because that'll give them editing permissions.